Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add social media link or social media account on your Roblox account. So you need to go the settings option, the right side corner on your screen, right hand side corner. Here comes the settings option, then my settings, then scroll down. Then here you'll see the social network. You'll see here some social network like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Guided. So then you can give your, you can see, you can copy your link and paste it here, or you can do it like www.facebook.com, facebook.com. Then you can give your username, like username, you can give your username here, and after that save. Then your social media account will be saved here. You can save that the same way like Twitter, YouTube, Twitch. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.